Well, hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious smoothie drinks. Uh, if you go buy smoothie in the smoothie place, all they give you is like powder. They don't give you the real fruit. So you can do it yourself for really cheap. And the fruit that really go well with the smoothie is pineapple, uh, blueberry, strawberry, and then mangoes. I say strawberry, 1 pound. Usually when they get on sale, 1 pound for $1. So I load it up. I take the stem off and then just put in a bag and freeze them. So it's the same thing with blueberry. Sometime they go on sale a pint for $1. I just freeze them up. And pineapple, it's in season right now. It's usually one pineapple, sometimes for two. I bought this one for $1.79. I just cut them up and freeze them in a bag right here. And the other thing I like to put in my my smoothie is a boba. You know what it is? It's a black tapioca pearl. This is made from cassava, so it's like a small little pearl. So you can buy this from Amazon. For a bag like this, costs about $10 to $11. If you buy two, it's probably cheaper. So a bag is about 2.2 pounds. I bought two of them. I used almost one bag operating. So for two, for about $18. So pretty cheap. And one bag, it lasts you at least probably over a month. So everything cheap if you do it yourself. Everything, like I say, everything in the store is a powder. They don't give you the real fruit. And I like to freeze up my fruit before I do the smoothie. This way, when I put in the blender, I don't need to put so when I put in the blender, I don't need to put ice in there. It's already really thick and really cold when you drink it. So a blueberry, a blueberry have a lot of property. It have fibers, potassium, folate, vitamin C, vitamin B6. So strawberry have potassium, manganese, fiber, vitamin, high level of antioxidant, have a lot of vitamin too. And pineapple has anti-inflammatory properties. And mangoes has a lot of very rich in vitamin C's and beta carotene. And then the other thing I like to put in my smoothie is almond milk. So almond milk has a lot of rich in vitamin E and then manganese, magnesium, and fibers and vitamin B2. So basically, if you drink this every day, 1 cup every day, right here, is gonna give you a lot of fibers, a lot of vitamin and fibers, which help your body, help you go to the bathroom easier, like bowel movement. Make sure you have a good blender. I have right here a Nutri Bullet. So have a good blender for this. Okay, let's start making the smoothie. For the boba, for the black tapioca pearl, boil in the water for about 5. Bring a little bit of water in a pot to a boil, and then put it in. Depending on how many you want in your smoothie drink. I just took 2 tablespoons. And so let it boil. In the meantime, let's do the smoothie. So I make this for one person. So basically, just put about a cup of milk, about a cup of almond milk. Yeah, 1 cup of almond milk. Okay. So I'm gonna do 3 fruit combination. If you want more than 3 fruit, you're welcome to do that. But I'm gonna use a 3 fruit combination here. So I'm gonna start out with the strawberry. I put a cup of that. All right, 1 cup of strawberry. 1 cup of pineapple. You can put more than the 3 combinations, so I'm gonna just use 3. 3 is good enough. 1 cup of pineapple. For blueberry, 1 cup of blueberry. So, and that's it, and just blend it all. Turn on the blender. Since this is frozen solid, once in a while you just shake it a little bit, let it. All right, so after about 5 minutes, turn off the stove and then use a strainer. And rinse it with cold water. Use a little dish and just drain all the water out. Maybe just shake all the water out and just put the tapioca pearl in there, the boba, and then just add about a teaspoon of honey. Those raw honey, add about a teaspoon to it. Just mix it all up together and let it sit here for a bit. Put the couple teaspoons of this boba in there. That's depend how many you you know how much you want. Just put in. I put about tea spoon in there, and let's do another one. Do a combination of mango, pineapple, and strawberry. All right, the second batch is done. Let's put the tapioca pearl in. So for this one, make sure you have a big straw because of the boba. The black tapioca pearl is you need a bigger diameter straw to suck it out. So this is the so this smoothie is the combination of a mango, strawberry, and pineapple, and this one is a combination of blueberry, strawberry, and pineapple. So as you can see, you can do it very cheap. If you go to a smoothie place for a cup of this, they charge you about probably close to $8, and they don't give you the real fruits, and they give you the powder. So this is a real fruit that you can make it yourself. This probably costs about $2. It's not that much. And like I say, I like to freeze all my fruit, and this way I can make the smoothie really nice and cold. You know, you don't have to add any ice in there, and it's very healthy for you. All of this have a lot of all this fruit have a lot of fibers and vitamins which help your body. So right now it's summertime, and in Wisconsin right now it's about 80 to 90 degrees every day. If you drink one of this 1 cup of this smoothie a day, it's help your body a lot. Stay healthy. So I hope you give this smoothie a try, and if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.